The strategic plan is a high-level document which sets out the university's priorities for the next 5 years. It sets out our ambitions, tries to give a sense of what's important to us as an Abertay community, but it's a guide to the future.
But it should also give an impression of what the organisation's like. What does it feel like to work here or to study here? And I hope that the emphasis on supporting students from a wide range of backgrounds with a wide range of different levels of preparedness to study at university comes across very clearly. We are a leader in this area. We think we're the leader among all Scottish universities in delivering social mobility relative to our size.
It's very much an evolution from our current position. We've tried to be realistic in what we've set out. It confirms our commitment to access to providing transformational opportunities.
About a third of our students come directly from colleges, a very high percentage, and we're very proud of that. It's one of our contributions to social mobility.
It also recognises that in order to be successful we need to support our staff, to support them in everything they do and to develop our new skills as appropriate. It recognises the importance of our research and knowledge exchange. Academic
research is critical to the future of Abertay, and there's a spectrum there of research. You call blue skies research, academic research, research to support industry. Research as an opportunity for our students, undergraduate students and postgraduate students, and I think an important principle for a university like Abertay is that an undergraduate will be able to find research around them.
We have some really strong partnerships at the moment, but we're looking to see how we can perhaps deliver our degrees in other ways with partners and perhaps with online partners as well.
We've put a lot of effort recently into our links with industry. We should recall that from 1888, when we were founded as Dundee Technical Institute, we were working closely with industry. Of course, the industries of those times were very different. So it's a real strength of us as a university. And there are many recent examples, the in-game project on supporting computer games industry, the Tay Cities deal and the Cyber Quarter. Great work being done with Bell Street Ventures in student entrepreneurship, and the Santander Bank Group, also very important in supporting that. So it's a real strength, and here again we're looking to accelerate what we're doing in our collaboration with industry.
What we are certain is that the future will change, and that while we're training our graduates with the skills for particular careers at the moment, it's likely they will need to reskill and develop new skills throughout their working lives.
So substantial investment of our resources will be needed to making the university more digital. Now, that's almost a buzzword. What does more digital mean? It means that we will have more deployment of technology to help people do their jobs. It'll mean that many of these jobs will be more interesting because some of the more routine tasks can be done by technology.
There's making sure that our students develop the skills that they need. They're coming to us with high expectations of using technology in the way they study and in the way they learn, so we recognise that, and we've committed in the plan to develop an environmental sustainability strategy and actions that flow from that. And we recognise that there's already a lot of work going on across the university in that area, and we want to build on that for the future as well.
All universities would wish to have more money to do what they feel they ought to do, and we're no different from any other university. We've had to adapt to that. We adapt to it by operating as efficiently as we can. We adapt to it by generating as much income from other sources as we can. The good news is that I have great colleagues and we have wonderful students, and there's great teaching being done, there's great research being done, and we'll keep on doing that.
I'd like to thank everyone who's taken the time to contribute to the process over the last year, but I hope also that we've reached a position where we all have a shared understanding of what we collectively think is important for the university over the next 5 years, and it gives us a good foundation to think about how we can achieve those goals.